Welcome to Wildblue. I am Dawn Bray, and this is my daughter and colleague, Alyssa Bray.
Wildblue is Southwest Florida's newest, premier lakeside community, with over 3,000 wide-open acres centered around 800 acres of freshwater lakes and lush, tropical, protected preserve land. The views are magnificent. From sunrise to sunset, with wildlife at every turn, you will never get bored with the natural beauty that surrounds you. With 4 prestigious builders offering countless floor plans and home styles from which to choose, you can select from WCI, Lennar, Pulte, or for the most discerning buyers, a custom stock home. Many homes have their own boat dock and are perfect for those who enjoy fishing, paddleboarding, or just a peaceful kayak excursion to enjoy the breathtaking lake views. The Amenity Center boasts a state-of-the-art fitness center, which includes a fully equipped gym, spin room, yoga room, an Olympic-sized lap pool, and separate his and her sauna areas. Let's not forget Wildblue's full-service spa, offering a wide variety of services, ranging from a mani-pedi or a facial to a full-body massage. If you love tennis or pickleball, then Wildblue will not disappoint. Residents are anxiously awaiting the next phase of the Amenity Center, the Social Club. It will include a resort-style swimming pool, indoor and outdoor dining, and so much more. Wildblue is nestled between Naples and Fort Myers and is only a short drive to our beautiful white sandy beaches, historic downtown Naples, world-class dining and shopping, plenty of sports venues and entertainment, and the RSW International Airport. Why do we love Wildblue? Because there is everything to love about Wildblue. Come and find your dream home at Wildblue with Dawn and Alyssa Bray. Our family loves it here, and yours will too.